Today we are going to talk about a great airdrop opportunity here, which is Pi² P2. It is currently in its testnet phase and conducting an airdrop for early adopters. The project aims to provide a high-speed Layer 1 blockchain designed for Web3 applications. This platform is built to unify applications, languages, and ecosystems for fast, verifiable, and cross-chain computation. Let's talk about the funding and backers of this project, because when we want to participate in an airdrop, first we should know the fundamentals. Who are the backers? How much is the investment? And who are the team members? Yeah, we should know this before putting our time and energy into this project. Funding and the backers of the project. In July 2024, Pi² raised $12.5 million in seed funding. The round was led by Polychain Capital with participation from Robot Ventures and other infrastructures. So the official backer list are here. You can see and you can really go into it. They're really credible institutional and angel backers. This much backer, when you see in a project, it means that this is a legit project. It can't be a scam with these much supporters and backers. Yeah, that's why I think that this is a legit. Is it a legit project? Strengths, okay, yeah, strong institutional support, Polychain, Samsung Next, etc., backed by reputable angel investors, technical leadership, and clear technical use case. So yeah, we can say that this is a legit project, and we are going to see how we can participate in this great airdrop opportunity. So keep it up, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, here we come to this website. And here first we bind our accounts and we register our email, then we connect X account. Okay, after you bind your Twitter account, come and follow them in Twitter. Fail to verify Twitter account. Okay, guys, you can claim some of the tasks. They don't need anything special. You can just do the tasks and come back and claim them directly, but some of the tasks need verified Twitter account. Okay, you need to have a verified Twitter account for them, but for some of them, no, you don't need anything. Here it wants you to copy the symbol name and come here and to your Twitter account and change your name, put the symbol in your name, as you can see here, just like this, and save it. Now you can come back and claim. Okay, here you can see that I got this task, and I go for the next one, repost and like this post. Okay, just claim it. Then you come back, explain in a thread the benefits of fast set on X. Okay, you create a thread on Twitter, then you put the link here. Okay, here you come here to the Twitter, you create a thread, okay, just like this, and it says that you should tag this name, just like this. Okay, copy this, come here, Control V. You can write anything that you want about this project, then post. After that, you can click this copy link, come back here and paste. Now claim. Under review, your task submission is being processed. Okay, about the next task, I came here and I wrote this tweet. Okay, now you can copy link, you can use the ChatGPT to help you, and then you paste the link here, you claim, and it will go under review. After a few minutes, it will give your points. Okay, and here is the reactor. It says that the Pi² reactor is powering up. Get ready to test the network and unlock decimals. So 3 days after now, the testnet will launch officially. And here is my rank and energy points. So this project aims to experience 100K plus transactions per second with sub 100 millisecond finality across chains. So this can't be legit and more than this. Okay, this project is technically aiming to do something in technology and blockchain. So here we enter its website. Here's the website. All the links are below this video. Also, our Telegram channel link is there in our description. You can join our Telegram channel. There are many updates, and you can be early adapter to any project if you are in our community, in our Telegram community. You can also leave a comment there and talk with other guys. So let's go on. Here you enter its website. It says that this is a vanity wallet running on a testnet for demo purposes only. It does not maintain persistent states and may be reset without advance notice. So this wallet maybe get reset, okay, because all the tokens are fake, and in a demo testnet condition you only need to accumulate points, as much points as you can. Yeah, I say I understand that. Then here is our wallet. We have 100 USDC, Faucet here, Solana, and other coins. So the first thing when you enter this website should consider is backing up your wallet. Okay, you need to back up your wallet. Maybe you delete your Chrome or any other browser that you're using. Okay, when you delete it, you will need to recover. For recovery, you need this private key here. So copy this private key, save it in a safe place or in a Word document or anywhere you want. And when you want to enter and you don't have access to your wallet, then you can click import private key. Then you have your wallet back again online. So, and this one is your address. If you want to send tokens into your wallet, you will need this address. You will copy and paste it and send it to other guy who wants to send you tokens. So the first thing that you should bear in mind is that you should back up your wallet. And because even if you don't delete your browser, this website is testnet and this is new website, it will reset your wallet. So every time you enter this website, you will need to import private key. Okay, so the website understands that you are the same person and you can get access to your own wallet. So don't forget to back up your private key. So the next thing that you can do in this website is just coming to this section. Okay, now you have the private key, you have saved in a right place, okay, in a safe place. Now you want to send some tokens to some other addresses, so you can be an active participant of this testnet. Okay, for that you can click this one, so it refreshes and creates new addresses for you. Okay, so you will send tokens to that address, which is not your main wallet. Your main wallet is this one, which you have copied, and you have the private key. You will enter this one whenever you want, but you will create here new addresses, and you will copy and paste new addresses to some other place. Okay, you can have them in some other place, then you copy and paste them to this and send tokens. So here, as you can see here, I click this one. Now I have a new private key which I don't like and don't care about the new private key, but I care about the address. So I copy this new address, I paste it here. Okay, then I come to the next line, then I refresh, then I have new wallet, paste. Okay, this one is another one. I go to the other one. Okay, now I have a new address, I copy and paste it here. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 addresses now, and I want to use them to send tokens. Okay, import private key. I import my main wallet here. Okay, just import your main wallet here and then click confirm. Okay, this is my main wallet. I imported my main wallet here. I easily imported it. Now I want to transfer. I come here. Okay, I paste the new address here, select asset like Ethereum. Okay, how much Ethereum I have? 6. I put the amount here, and then I click on send. Send easily. Yeah, then I send more like this. Okay, send. Yeah, then I come to this one and I choose Bitcoin. Okay, I wanna send this much. Okay, send. Then I come to the Solana. Okay, Sol, and I click on 1 Solana. Then I click on send. now I have some transactions. Okay, you can come daily to this website and create 10 transactions so easily. It will take 10 seconds from you. That's all. Then you can see your transactions, and to go to Explorer section, you come here, okay, and it will show your transactions here. You can also receive tokens. You see, these are my transactions right here. Okay, if you want to receive tokens, just come to this section and click this one, refresh, and then go to your private key, copy the private key of the new wallet, import it, and send that tokens to this main address. Then when you come here, you can see that, oh, I have received new tokens from myself. Yeah, that's how it works, and that's how you can submit transactions and gain value for this airdrop. You can climb the leaderboard. Okay, and soon there will be new updates that you can see your points and you can climb the leaderboard of this website. You can be early adapter right now. So if you want to be with us and catch the new updates as soon as possible, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. See you guys. Bye.